Folks, you know when you're working with photos that are blurry, noisy, or just low resolution, and you need to upscale them without losing quality. It's tough to fix that without making things look artificial or overprocessed. I'm Daniel, and today I want to show you Aiarty Image Enhancer. It's a professional offline desktop tool that uses advanced neural networks to not just enlarge your pictures, but actually regenerate real details where there weren't any before. This platform automatically fixes 4 main image problems: blur, noise, pixelation, and compression artifacts. It can upscale photos up to 32K resolution and process batches of up to 100 images in just 2 minutes. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump in and see how Aiarty works on real examples. Friends, Aiarty Image Enhancer is built around specialized AI models, each trained on millions of images for specific tasks. The first model is a Generative Adversarial Network, or GAN, which creates more detail, clarity, and sharpness. It works especially well with skin, hair, and overall photo quality. The second model is Smooth V3, which is optimized for AI-generated images and makes them clearer, smoother, and higher quality, perfect for content from tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. The third model is Real Photo V3, a diffusion model with the highest accuracy for detail restoration. It's ideal for high-quality photographs and restores original details while providing natural sharpness. And mates, there's also a face restoration architecture that can specifically restore faces with impressive accuracy. Here's the thing, there's no single best model. Each one is optimized for different types of tasks, so let's test them on real examples and see how they perform. Alright guys, let's start with this portrait photo. At first glance, it looks fine. But once we zoom in, especially on the left side of the face and the green blurred background, we can clearly see digital noise and grain. This usually happens in low light or at high ISO, and it's most noticeable on flat areas like backgrounds. The face itself is already quite sharp, so we don't need aggressive restoration. Folks, our goal is to gently remove noise while keeping natural skin texture and freckles. Smooth V3 is selected by default, but since this is a real photo, I am switching to Real Photo V3. It's designed for real-life images and combines smart denoising with deblurring, cleaning up the background while keeping the face natural. For upscale friends, I'm choosing X2. It's perfect for social media and small prints. Higher values can make faces look artificial. I am also enabling 2-pass processing, so the AI removes noise first and then refines fine details like hair and skin texture. I am leaving face restoration off because it's simply not needed here. Even in preview mode, the background already looks much cleaner, while the skin stays natural. Let's export and check the result. Here's the original. And here's the enhanced version. The noise is gone, the background is smoother, and the face looks clean and realistic, without being overprocessed. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now for the second example, a wildlife portrait of a young lion. Mates, this shot has 2 issues: slight blur from camera shake and noise on the skin. Zoom in, and the fur on the chest and ears looks soft, with individual hairs blended together, and the whiskers lack definition. This often happens when shooting from far away with a telephoto lens. For photos like this, I'm using more detailed GAN V3, a model designed to generate fine details on natural textures like fur, feathers, or grass. Being a GAN, it can intelligently recreate details lost to blur. This time, I also want to focus on Aiarty Image Enhancer's Strength Control feature, which you'll find under 2-pass processing. Strength Control lets you fine-tune how intense the enhancement is, depending on the image and your personal preference. I zoom in so you can clearly see what's happening to the fur. With Strength Control enabled, I am setting the intensity to a higher value. Animal fur handles stronger enhancement really well, especially when we are trying to recover detail lost to blur. I'll tweak the colors too. Saturation +8 to enhance the golden fur, contrast +5 for depth, and highlights +3 to brighten the face and ears. Then single export. And there we go. Compared to the original, this looks like it was shot with a much sharper lens. Individual hairs on the ears, face, neck and whiskers are now clearly visible. Now here's a really interesting case. This image was created by artificial intelligence, something like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or DALL-E. These generators make stunning pictures, but they've got specific problems: artifacts, fuzzy details, weird smoothness in some spots, and graininess in others. For pictures like this, folks, there's Edgy Smooth v3, which stands for AI-generated content. It's been trained specifically on AI-generated images, so it knows exactly what problems they have and how to fix them. I'm choosing Upscale X2 and 2-pass for the best result. For the secondary model, I am going with Detail GANV3 to sharpen things up. We don't need face restoration here since this is architecture, not a portrait. I'll hit single export and let it work its magic. And there we have it. Pretty solid result. Here's how it became after enhancement. And here's how it was before. The original was unclear with smudged edges and blurry lines, but the improved result is completely the opposite: crisp, clean, and detailed. Now, mates, let's move to the last example. This photo was taken indoors in low-light conditions, a very common everyday scenario. The main issue here is underexposure. On the left side of the frame, the guy wearing glasses is almost completely lost in shadow. His face and clothing details are barely visible and heavily pixelated. Posters in the background are smudged together, and even on the brighter right side, fabric textures on the hoodie are missing. Folks, this usually happens when smartphone cameras misjudge exposure in difficult lighting, especially when shooting against a bright window. Our goal is to recover details from dark areas, increase brightness without losing realism, and restore textures in clothing and background. For this task, I'm choosing More Detail GANV3 because it's excellent at reconstructing hidden details in underexposed regions based on contextual understanding. I am setting Upscale to X4 and enabling 2-pass processing, which is critical for low-light images. The first pass lifts brightness and restores structure, while the second pass refines fine textures. I am also setting Stretch to a high value, because dark areas require maximum processing power to recover detail. Now guys, let's adjust the color and exposure settings. I'll boost the exposure a bit to brighten the image, lift the shadows to recover detail in the dark areas, add a touch of contrast for depth, slightly lower the highlights to protect the brighter faces, and finish with a bit of saturation so the colors stay natural. And mates, here's the key part. I'm enabling face restoration. This helps rebuild facial clarity for both people in the image. Let's hit single export. And here's the result, mates. And one more quick thing, folks. Aiarty Image Enhancer also comes with an AI eraser feature that lets you remove unwanted objects from your photos. You simply select the elements you don't need, and the AI intelligently removes them while naturally reconstructing the background. The image stays clean and realistic, with textures and surroundings seamlessly blended, as if those objects were never there. Folks, what makes Aiarty Image Enhancer stand out is that it brings together multiple specialized AI technologies in one offline package. Each model is purpose-built for specific types of pictures, so you're always using the right tool for the job. Since everything processes locally on your computer, there's no privacy concerns with your images being uploaded anywhere. Plus, the batch processing capabilities mean you can handle large volumes efficiently. Guys, whether you're restoring old portraits, polishing AI-generated artwork, or just fixing low-quality photos, this is the kind of tool that can dramatically cut down the time you spend on manual editing. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.